Rahim. Today topic is kinematics, October 10, grade 41, question number 1, and it concerns with like two particle P and Q. So you can see from here, actually what's happening here, one particle is throwing from down, is going upwards, and one particle is releasing from top, is coming downwards. Okay, so this is the situation we have. How we know which is coming up and down from diagram? So first of all, I talked to you very simple. When particle, for example, this is a, let's say here we have observer's eye. Okay, here we have observer's eye, and for example, you are seeing the diagram. One particle is going away, velocity positive. One particle coming towards you, velocity negative. Let's say observer is down, but like you throw the particle up, particle going up, going away from you, velocity positive. One particle coming towards you, velocity negative. So you can understand from here, this velocity is negative. So can I say this is a Q particle? Why not? And it is going upward, velocity positive, this positive velocity. Can the P? Confirm. So let's talk about the idea. So he said, let's talk about the P. So let's, what is the situation? I'm writing 4P. 4P. Starting, what is the initial speed? U is become V. Going upward, gravity negative 10, all of you know. And 2 seconds, what becomes speed here? 0. Here speed is 0, 0 speed. What this 0 velocity? What happens when you throw particle up? It goes and goes and goes and stop. So this means this stops somewhere there on the top. Can I say the last speed is 0? Why not? And going upward, gravity clear. And how much time it take to reach the top? Time 2 seconds. So time 2 seconds. And what formula we have? So V equal to U plus AT or GT. Last speed 0, U is a V, and acceleration is a negative 10, time is 2, and we got V minus 20 equal to 0, and V becomes 20 meter per second. And we got the first part, very clear. Let's go to the next part. He said given Q reach the horizontal ground with 4 seconds. You can see here, so look, this Q particle is released from top, it fall down, reach the ground at a 4 second. It's very, very clear. He's asking find speed with Q it reach the ground. So let's talk about now Q for Q. Give always this kind of headings. Okay, it start from rest, so you can say that U is 0 because it start from here. So U0 coming downward is acceleration, so gravity plus 10. It will take how much time to reach? 4 seconds. So time is 4 seconds, and find S. From formula, S is equal to UT plus half AT square or GT square. So S is what? My question. U is 0, so it gone. Gravity 10 and time is 4. So 16. So I got 80 meters. So we got same answer, correct? Okay. This first part is over. So this second part is over. Let's talk about the second part. He said third part. He said that part third. So it's a 2-mark question. The height of Q above the ground. So when what he said? When time was 0. So I want to find this height. Okay? So naturally, I think so. It means the area of this triangle will give answer. The area of the triangle is called distance, all of you know. Half into base into height. What's the base? 4. Do you have the speed when it reach? This is a task only we have. So I think velocity we have, distance we have. Okay? Wait a minute. Is Q? Yes, Q. Distance we have. It means this area is how much? 18. Am I right or not? And what is the time? 4. And what is? Yes, there's a little mistake here. This is our part number, actually third is here. This is a part number 3rd, which I done before. And now I'm doing part number 2. So this almost the same idea. So he's asking find the speed. So naturally we have the distance. If we talk about this triangle, okay. And the area, this is a 4 here. And this is 80. And this is called V. This V. So area is equal to what? Half into base into height. So we can see here area is 80 meters and half base is a 4 and height is a V. So it becomes 2. So V becomes 80 by 2. We got a 40. So 40 meter per second before he hits the ground. Okay. We can do another way even. Okay. So because you can see here because it's the part is before, okay? And we can do another way even. How we can do this other way, because it's starting from top, okay? So let's write data for that. So starting from top, gravity 10 and time 4, I can find B easily. So it means I can do this with diagram or without diagram. So no problem, right? This is enough for the question finish.
So